Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Backpack Chairs is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of outdoor gear you can own, transforming any spot into your personal oasis whether you're at a concert, camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a day at the park. These innovative chairs offer unparalleled portability, allowing you to carry them comfortably on your back like a backpack, freeing up your hands for other essentials and making spontaneous adventures easier than ever before. Number 5. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, Blue. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It's designed to be both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, ready for wherever life takes you. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced materials, this stool offers exceptional strength. It boasts a remarkable load capacity of 400 pounds and superior resistance to tilting, ensuring stability on any terrain. Weighing just over 2.5 pounds, it's easy to take anywhere. The adjustable strap allows for comfortable carrying, making it ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, and more. Thanks to its precise design, you can effortlessly extend and collapse this stool in mere seconds. It opens and closes smoothly, providing instant seating whenever you need it. Customize your seating experience with adjustable height options, ranging from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. Choose from 12 different positions to suit your specific needs and surroundings. Designed with snap joints, it stays securely closed during transport, preventing accidental opening. This feature ensures convenience and peace of mind for all your adventures. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us directly for prompt assistance. What we like. This one offers adjustable height, which is a great feature for different users and situations. It also boasts a high load capacity, making it very sturdy. If you need a versatile stool that can adapt to various heights and support heavier individuals, this is a solid choice. What people say. They are so convenient to carry with the shoulder or hand straps, very lightweight and easy to move forward in line with along with being comfortable and sturdy, as I am 230 pounds, and they claim it's good up to 400 pounds, at my weight it is very sturdy. Collapsing down to a mere 2.5 inches, it easily slips into my tackle bag or can be comfortably carried using the integrated nylon web handle or the handy, storable shoulder strap. This makes it an absolute winner for anyone who prioritizes packability for activities like camping, hiking, or, in my case, fishing and beaching. The advertised 400 pounds load capacity gives me a significant sense of security, especially when using it on a boat where balance can sometimes be a factor. It certainly appears to be sturdily made and, as advertised, it does feel more robust than some other lightweight folding stools I've seen. Number 4. CLIQ Portable Chair ClassiQ 1.0. Introducing the CLIQ Portable Chair ClassiQ 1.0. This innovative chair redefines outdoor seating, offering unparalleled convenience and durability for all your adventures. Designed to be incredibly compact, it collapses down to the size of a water bottle. This makes it the perfect portable seating solution, easy to take with you wherever you go. Setting up is a breeze. You can have it ready for use in just 5 seconds. Its dip-proof design ensures stability on any terrain. Crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop ballistic nylon, this chair is built for longevity. It's incredibly strong, supporting up to 350 pounds while weighing only 3.65 pounds. Whether you're camping, heading to a festival, or just relaxing on your lawn, this chair is your ideal companion. It's an essential addition to your outdoor gear collection. From barbecues and picnics to beach days and backpacking trips, this versatile chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. Enjoy comfortable seating anywhere, anytime. What we like. This chair collapses down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly portable. It sets up in just 5 seconds and is built with aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop ballistic nylon for long-lasting durability. If you prioritize extreme portability and quick setup for spontaneous adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. When fully compacted it is not much bigger than a Stanley-style thermos. It weighs in around 4 pounds, and would fit in almost any day pack, backpack, or beach bag. First time out of the box with no instructions read, I was sitting in about 30 to 40 seconds. I am confident now that I know how to set it up. It will take about 10 to 12 seconds. Breaking down is about the same, but give it more like 20 to 30 seconds after you strap it up and secure it. The frame feels premium and durable, not like the cheap aluminum that dents when you look at it. The fabric is tight and supportive, and the whole chair gives off, buy once, cry once energy. Number 3. Ostrich on your back chair, blue. Experience ultimate relaxation with our unique padded face hole. You can lie face down without any neck strain, perfect for reading or using your phone. The pillow pad enhances your comfort even further. Traverse the beach hands-free with convenient backpack carry straps. Your comfy chair transforms into a backpack in seconds, making it the ideal companion for any beach adventure. Enjoy a hassle-free session with strategically placed armholes. This enables a relaxed face-down position while reducing glare on your page or screen. You can even sip your favorite beverage conveniently. Delight in extra room and comfort with its unique taller and wider design. This makes it not only more comfortable but also easier to get in and out of. Discover a well-made and durable beach companion that is good for the price. It's praised for its sturdiness and includes additional compartments for your belongings, offering great value for your money. What we like. This chair is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring a unique face-down comfort hole and convenient armholes for easy reading or phone use. Its backpack straps make it effortless to carry. If you're looking for a chair specifically for lounging on the beach or by the pool and want to read or relax face down, this is your perfect companion. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, with a good weight capacity. It folds up easily and is lightweight, making it convenient to carry. The built-in cup holder is a nice feature for keeping drinks close by. Number 2. Ostrich on your back backpack beach chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our unique padded face hole. It allows you to lie face down comfortably without any neck strain, perfect for reading or using your phone. Traverse the beach hands-free. This chair easily converts into a backpack with convenient straps, making it your ideal companion for any beach adventure. Enjoy a hassle-free session with strategically placed armholes. They enable a relaxed face-down position while reducing glare on your page or screen. Delight in extra room and comfort with its unique taller and wider design. This makes it not only more comfortable but also easier to get in and out of. Discover a well-made and durable beach companion that offers great value. It's praised for its sturdiness and includes additional compartments for your belongings. What we like. This option also offers innovative face-down comfort with a padded face hole, making it ideal for tanning or reading. It transforms into a backpack for easy transport and has a taller, wider design for extra room. If you want a comfortable, spacious chair for beach days with the added benefit of face-down relaxation and easy portability, consider this model. What people say. I love that these have the added benefit of the face hole, which makes sunbathing face down especially comfortable. They are stable, easy to set up, and made of thick fabric. The Ostrich Beach Chair is a great chair for the money. I bought 2 for my girlfriend and myself primarily because of their weight limits. I weighed about 240 lbs, and wanted something that would last more than 1 to 2 summers. These chairs fit the bill perfectly. They are nice and wide, very comfortable, and have the backpack straps that make walking to the beach much easier. My favorite beach chair for a reader. Love that it's a backpack and lightweight. Number 1. Overmont Ultralight Portable Camping Chair. Experience ultimate portability with this incredibly compact chair. It packs down small and comes with a durable carry bag, making it your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Setting up is a breeze. Thanks to the pre-attached elastic cords, you can have this chair ready to relax in under 30 seconds, even on your very first attempt. Enjoy your outdoor activities without missing a beat. It features convenient oversized cup holders and a side pocket to keep your drinks and essentials close at hand. Relax with confidence on any terrain. The non-slip feet ensure it remains stable and secure, providing a reliable and safe seating experience wherever you go. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. Crafted from durable materials, it offers exceptional sturdiness and can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring comfort and reliability for years to come. We stand by our quality. Enjoy your purchase with the reassurance of a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This chair is incredibly lightweight and compact when packed, making it perfect for backpacking. It sets up in under 30 seconds and features smart design elements like integrated cup holders and a phone pocket. If you're an avid backpacker or hiker who needs a comfortable, easy-to-set-up chair with convenient features, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The backpack chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It has a sturdy frame and comfortable seating. The chair folds up compactly for storage and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.